Morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today we're on the day number 11, and we were discussing about the SLA, Service Level Agreement. So we done the overview that what is SLA. Sorry, let me share screen. I thought I'm sharing it. Yep, here. So we discuss this thing to be revised quickly. What is SLA, OLA, underpinning, response, resolution, start, stop, pause, reset condition, and we see the retroactive as well. Okay, so today we are going to be configure it. I'm sure that, or I hope that you people have gone through this out of the box system that what is be available. Okay, so we'll see how to configure this. So let me log in here. So for this, we'll go to the SLA. Let me change the scope. Yep, now it's good. Okay, and now go to the SLA definitions. This one. As I say that SLA mainly work on, not mainly, SLA work on the conditions. So we are going to create new SLA for our purpose, that how the SLA will behave. The first thing first is that whenever you define the SLA, make sure you give the relevant and good name so that it is easy for recognize that what is be happening in this SLA. So generally, if you see here, if I open this one and you can see the names. By reading the name, you can see that, okay, this is priority one and this SLA type is response. And 15 minutes is the target. So similar we will also do. So we'll create one SLA, LNG, batch 18, let's say, resolution. We will create a resolution one. Type, SLA, target, resolution, table, incident. Because I want to do my SLA only. Okay. Flow. It's showing flow means there are few things which is given by service now, like if your SLA is getting breach like 50%, 70%, 90%, then I want to send an email. So that can be taken care by this flow. We will have a dedicated topic of the flow. So that will be taken care by the flow only. Not sure that why vendor is there. Might be I was doing something, so I added here. Okay, and will not pick up service commitment. It is again a totally different topic. Okay, but means like service commitments are to be see that how overall service is behaving from the commitment perspective, separate topics. Again, I was doing little R&D, so I added it here. Now come on this particular part. This is important. What is the duration you want to do or you want to run your SLA? User specific duration means as a developer, as a business, if I say that this SLA should run for the 5 hours, it means that is user defined. Or you want to use a system one. System one means which is already defined 2 business days by 4 p.m. So if you raise any incident now, it will be resolved within the 2 business days by the 4 p.m. 3 business days by the 4 p.m. Breach on due next or end. As per my experience till the date, what I see that we never use these options. We always use specified, means where I am a user can define that how much time my SLA will take. Days, hour, minute, and second. I will say my SLA is for the 30 minutes. I am intentionally putting the minutes so that we can do and we can test our SLA properly. Because if you put the days, it will tough for us to manage it, to be see it, because we have to wait for the day that SLA breach and everything will be there. Okay. Once we're done up to this part, then it's come for the SLA, sorry, schedule source. So if you remember that, as I said, that this training is for the 30 days and schedule Monday to Friday, right? So if you include Sunday to Monday, sorry, Monday to Sunday, then it might be in a 1 month. But if you include Monday to Friday, it might be go for the 1.5 month. So schedule is something which you can define, you can create as well. So it has a SLA. So it's a no schedule. It means this SLA will be 24/7. Like we say police or the fire brigade kind of stuff. They work 24/7. So we can say that what type of schedule it is. No schedule, SLA definition. I can put specific schedule, or you want to go for the incident field. That consider this field on the incident is a source. And again, practically either we use SLA definition or we use no schedule. I'm just showing to you, but we will use 24/7. The reason being because we are in the training and we want to show that how the SLA is behaving in the different conditions. So now the come for the schedule. So how the system will know that I have to be done Monday to Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. I have to be tell to the system. I have to be configuring the system. So ServiceNow provides us few default SLA like this. Sorry, few default schedules. 8 to 5 weekdays, 8 to 5 excluding holidays. अमेरिकाज टाइम के हिसाब से, एपेक के हिसाब से, एप्लीकेशन के हिसाब से 24/7, थर्ड सैटरडे मेंटेनेंस. So these are the schedule which is given by ServiceNow out of the box. ठीक है. So if you let's say 8 to 5 this one, click on this eye icon and open the record in the new window so that you can see 8 to 5 excluding holidays. ठीक है. अब सिस्टम को क्या पता है 8 to 5 मंडे टू फ्राइडे. ठीक. काम करना है मतलब मंडे 8 o'clock शुरू होगा, फ्राइडे 5 बजे खत्म हो जाएगा और डेली रिपीट करना है. लेकिन हाँ तो सिस्टम मिल लो कि एक्सक्लूडिंग हॉलीडेज है तो यहाँ पर आपको उसका हॉलीडेज डालना पड़ेगा. देखो जिसने डाला हुआ है. ठीक है. So the schedules are used at number of places, specifically in change in your shift roster kind of things. Okay. But again, this is not a deep dive topic for the admin. So we can use 24/7. Or if you're using SLA definition and you're using 8x5, it says how you determine the SLA time zone. Bhai, now take example. Bhavya is in India. Okay. I log a case or I log an incident in the midnight of 12 o'clock UK time. So for the Bhavya, it is a early morning 4:30, right? So now how the system will know that when to start this SLA or which time zone it should go. So we have multiple time zones. Caller time zones, SLA definition time zone means when you're creating this SLA, you can define the time zone. CI time zone if you're raising an incident and under the incident you have a CI, so that time zone will be there. You can use that. Task location or caller location. So generally what we use the caller time zone. और ये कहाँ से आता है? This will be in the user profile. This is field called the time zone. Clear everybody? Doubt, question? Let me come back here. Doubt, question, clarification, anyone? Okay, good.
Sir,
Good, please.
uh, go to ServiceNow screen, sir.
Please. Low.
So, like you're saying this as per the caller time zone, and you previous to that you gave an example like you opened a ticket midnight at your time, and it has to go to Bhavya who is working in IST time zone.
Right, right.
So, since it's an incident and if it is a high priority, in that case, how it will work?
देखो, how it will work doesn't matter here. Okay. Matter is that how you configure it. अब either it's a high priority, low priority, doesn't system को नहीं पता अभी.
Okay.
System says I will do the work if I have this thing to be do. If the condition matches. Right? So when I put the start condition, in that I will put that priority is critical. And then it will pick it up. So mainly this time source is very critical in the system. If you get a chance to read these particular time zones, you will understand that how time zones work actually. देखो. If this option is selected, the caller has. If this option is selected, the caller has not selected a time zone, then system time zone is used. You can specify the geographical time zone that can be used for the schedule calculation. So अगर आपका high priority है, तो definitely it should not be 8x5. It will be like 24x7. And also, it is not only the system need to be work. No, it is mainly that how your business has been set up. तो अगर आप caller time zone ले रहे हो, or if you're putting 24x7, definitely you have some different teams also who are supporting 24x7 to the business. So it is mainly depend that how the business has been set up on this particular part. इसलिए whenever we go as a for this particular part, SLA requirements, we go and check everything with the service with the customer that okay, how your business has been set up for the SLA. Your business has been set up to handle these kind of issues. you're working 24/7, you're having different locations. So अगर कॉल टाइम जोन है तो definitely there will be a team sitting in the UK as well who is supporting on this particular part. क्योंकि this is a tool and tool must work with your processes.
ठीक है.
ठीक है विक्रम.
Yes, sir. Thank
So
you.
it is like that. Okay, if you need to be go to the bus station, sorry, railway station, you know that if you need to be travel in the midnight, then you know that there must be a cab exist. Only then you will book a ticket. Otherwise, you will not book a ticket, right? So booking a ticket is one thing, and availability of the cab is a second thing. So it is not only one thing that you are doing here. You are definitely you are building it, but you have to be checked with the customer that how your business has been set up. Because I can do it. So if I say, okay, guys, I am in UK, and if you have any question, I'll reply only in the UK time zone. Okay, so I'll create this one as per my time zone only. The schedule I will create as per my time zone only. See, once this part has been set up, now the second part, this one. Every SLA must have these 4 conditions. Start. When this SLA will be attached to the incident, I will say when short description contains LNG. We're giving our example so that it is easy for us to track it. Okay. Now save this. Okay. Did you notice one thing? That 8x5 caller time zone. So it says the SLA will, if you're raising any incident now, it will breach after 11 hours. Sorry, it will breach at 11 hours 9 minutes. In 11 hours 9 minutes, it will breach. So what we are going to do? We are going to be change this so that we can see. So this option is very good. You can see that if I'm starting any incident, if I'm creating an incident now, when it will get breach, actual elapsed time means what is the time I have actually in the system. So if you SI definition 8x5, see, it's going to breach at 8:30. अतुल 8:30 कैसे हो गए? तो अभी तो 5 बजे हैं. Why? Because it says SLA will start only at 8 o'clock. Because its schedule is saying this thing. देखो schedule में क्या लिखा है ये रहा. ये देखो schedule में था ना 8 to 5. So 8 o'clock it will start and 5 o'clock it will, sorry, 8 o'clock the SLA will start. So it has 30 minutes. So 8:30 it will be done. It is saying the caller time zone. What is my time zone? You can check it here. So for our purpose only, we are putting as a 24/7 so that we can test it, or I can put it here like this. Here you go. Or I put this thing, no schedule. And now save it. ठीक है. क्योंकि अभी क्या है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इफ यू सी दिस, if this option selected and the caller has no selected time zone, then system time zone will be used. So मेरे system, because in my profile there is no time zone has been given, so let me come back here, user, and let me set the time at my side. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ले आते हैं टाइम जोन। देखो कोई टाइम जोन नहीं है ना, इसलिए वो सिस्टम का टाइम जोन ले रहा है। सो आई एम इन द यूरोप लंडन। ठीक, एंड नाउ इफ आई रिलोड दिस पेज, देखो आगे 54, because it's checking my time zone now. So time zone is important. Now let me close every other window. ठीक है, now we'll see that how it's progressing, because there's a multiple things we need to be understand in SLA part. Let's go and raise an incident.
Sir,
Good, please.
this pop-up will come like when we are going to use service now in real time.
This one.
Yeah.
It will show every time when you change the schedule, so that a user should know that if I'm raising an incident now, when it is going to be expired or breached, sorry.
No,
Just an information kind of thing.
like this is PDI, and what I want to know, like for example, I'm working for an organization and I'm creating an
Ah,
SLA.
it will show there as well. But it will show only in the SLA definition.
Got it.
Okay. Now let's raise an incident. Let's create a new incident. Caller is Ayushi. ठीक है. Category is inquiry antivirus. And now I'll say SLA definition contains LNG. This is what our SLA condition, right? Or let's say I'm not putting I'm putting something else. Hello, SLA from Learn and Grow. And copy and save. Now, because we submitted the incident, so we'll go back and we'll see. There's a no SLA get attached. Might be there's a no condition matching with this particular SLA. Our SLA is also not there. Why? Because condition is not matched. But now if I go and change it, and now I save it, and if you see, our SLA get attached. Why? Because condition is matched now. Clear till this point? This is the first point. Yes, go Ujjwal, please.
Hello.
Yes, you'll go Ujjwal.
Atul, I have a question about that duration which we set for 30 minutes, for example. So it will be it will be like auto updated after every 30 minutes. Let's say we have set it for 8 to 5. So it will be like 8:30, then 9:30. Is it like that?
No. You're mixing it. So if you see this part, this is the time. So if I say, okay, guys, what is the duration for this class? Okay, you tell Ujjwal, what is the duration for this class? Daily class?
1 hour, that is 60 minutes.
1 hour, 60 minutes. And what is the schedule for this class?
Monday to
So
Friday.
yes. So either when the Monday to Friday come, in a Monday to Friday, I want or I will teach you only for 1 hour. Now it can be 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 11 to 12, evenings 5 to 6, any time can be there. But it will be happen only Monday to Friday only. So Monday to Friday has been defined in this part. But Monday to Friday, I say, if I'm picking up SLA definition 8 to 5, मतलब सुबह 8 से from the morning 8 till evening 5, anytime I can teach you for the 1 hour. Might be 4:10 to 5:10. Might be 2:30 to 3:30. Clear हुआ उज्जवल कुछ? So
Yes.
this is the full time. So now if you're traveling via train from Delhi to Pune, how much time it will take? 17 hours or let's say 10 hours. But if you take a train in the night, definitely you will reach in the morning, early morning. But if you take the flight train in the early morning, then it will be changed.
Yes.
So this thing doesn't matter. Matter means this thing does not change. This work based on your schedule. That so if you see that I am still taking 30 minutes, but it says that if you use 8 cross 5, then your SLA will reach 8:30. But if I change it, see 6 o'clock. ये तो चेंज नहीं हो रहा ना, अब डिपेंड कि आपका इंसिडेंट कब रेज हो रहा है, वहां से 30 मिनट शुरू हो जाएंगे. क्लियर उज्जवल?
Yes. Atul, another question
हम्म
regarding this only. As we have mentioned, let's say Monday to Friday.
हम्म
So every Monday, the SLA will be breached and activated. Like on
ना
Friday, it will
ना
be
ना ना
breached. And
ना 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 that's wrong. So okay, let's take the same example. So our class is happening on Monday to Friday, right?
right,
Right. So during this time, I have to be teach you 1 hour, right?
right,
Now, what this mean mainly that this 1 hour will not work on Saturday or Sunday. So if take example that guys, if you want to be have any query, you can send me a message on the WhatsApp and I will reply you between 8 to 5. ठीक है? सुबह 8 से शाम को 5 बजे तक I will reply you, but I will not reply anything on the Saturday or Sunday. It doesn't mean that it is going to breach. It means that this SLA is not applicable during that time. Okay, I'll give you another example. You enjoy pizza, right? You love pizza. So you order it from the Domino's. What's the Domino's policy? Normal delivery policy.
let's say they deliver in 30 minutes.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
it's
kind of
free.
free of cost. Yes,
Right? Okay. Now, if you order the pizza on Diwali or any festival, what they mention the same thing, delivery within 30 minutes is not applicable today. right? Right? Why?
Yes.
Why? What this mean that if you ordered a pizza on festival day, if we're not able to deliver in 30 minutes, you will not get a free pizza because today SLA is not applicable. We have a heavy rush, so it is not possible that we can deliver pizza in 30 minutes. So if any incident you are raising it and it is falling outside the time, then it is not, the SLA clock will not run. SLA clock will not run. So do one thing. Okay. In today's homework, who will take the homework for today? Let me see. Ujjwal, you only take the homework for today. Okay. Everybody need to be create SLA. Mainly 4 or 5 SLA you create, SLA definition create, and create one SLA for a schedule. 8x5 weekday. And create a ticket where this SLA get attached and review it. That how the SLA is progressing. Review it between 8 to 5 and review it after 5 p.m. And then see that. So if I put 8 to 5 and I put the duration is, let's say, अब आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा अबाउट, आई एम श्योर 10 hours. देखो अब क्या कह रही है, if you raise any incident now and it is 8 to 5, SLA will breach on 5th August. क्यों? क्योंकि it's for 10 hours. So what this mean? Start हुआ, start time is now 5:35 a.m. But when the SLA will start, it will start at 8 o'clock. SLA will start 8 a.m. So 8 से 5 कितना हुआ इसके पास टाइम? 9 घंटे और 10 घंटे. SLA end 5 p.m. तो दोनों में गैप कितना हो गया टोटल? मतलब एक सिंगल दिन में, सिंगल डे में कितना काम आवर्स काउंट होते हैं आपके? इज लाइक 8 hours or 9 hours. So 8 to 5, it's in 9 hours. But SLA का ड्यूरेशन कितना है? 10 hours. तो बाकी का 1 घंटा कहाँ जाएगा? That will go in the next day. और कब? 8 बजे शुरू होगा वो नेक्स्ट डे. सो अब ब्रीच कब होगा वो? 9 p.m. 9 a.m. क्योंकि 9 घंटे तो यहाँ कवर हो गए, जो 1 घंटा बचा वो अगले दिन 8 बजे शुरू होगा. So it's showing next day 1 day 3 hours 23 minutes के बाद ये ब्रीच हो जाएगा. भाई अब Amazon, if you buy something from Myntra, Flipkart, they say this product will be delivered in 5 days. A 5 doesn't mean it's for 24/7. No. 5 means, boss, our office work from 8 to 5 only. So that include means this is what the timing it's saying. कुछ तो clear हुआ कुछ? Or still doubt?
Yes, clear.
Good. Good, Ramna.
So if SLA will create it only for instant or anything problem management?
Any task-based table you can create SLA. Any. So as I said that Ujjwal mentioned in your homework, create an SLA on any of the table, SLA, incident, change, problem, task, any different one, and just because it matters that what you're putting in the start condition. That's the important in SLA. So now if I come back here, let me reload my page. And let's come back here and reload this page. ये देखो, अब डिस्कस करते हैं इसके ऊपर. In SLA, few things are important to be understand. You will not believe, I work with the company or I can say companies and the clients where they have dedicated SLA team. Means their work is to improve, optimize the SLA. So in the SLA definition, in the SLA one, we have number of fields available. Your incident number, SLA definition, which SLAs get attached. Okay. Then type, it is a SLA, OLA, there is a stage, and now this thing. Let's see what this means. Business left time, 18 minutes. Why 18 minutes? Kyun? Because my system is having a 24/7 schedule. So system saying, boss, you already, when you started till this time, 18 minutes is left and 11 minutes has been elapsed. Means you already used the 11 minutes. And why business mean here? Because there are another fields as well. Let me show you few more. Actual elapsed, actual time left, breach time left, business duration, has breach, original breach, pause duration, pause time. Okay. We can take this and remove this, no problem. There you go. So business left time is 8, but the actual left time is 18 also. Sorry, actual time left is 18 also. Why it is same? Why it is same? Because of your schedule is 8x5. Sorry, schedule is 24/7. So in today's exercise, when you create a SLA, and how to create, you have to use your name underscore batch18 underscore type of SLA. Okay. If you're getting multiple, so underscore 1 underscore 2 underscore 3, you can put it. Because it is 24/7, so actual or business time दोनों same है. If I change it, let's say I change the schedule to say definition and I put it, let's close this thing and now save it. And now I'll come back here and just repair this SLA so that the latest effects can become. And then you see the changes. ठीक, close. अब देखो, business time left 30 minutes and actual time left 10 hours 48 minutes. हो गया ना change? क्यों? Because of my schedule has been changed. That is reason I avoid schedule 8 to 5 or something, because in that it is tough for us to be understand. But if when you do the practice, please make sure you have one SLA like that only, so that you can and keep a track for another 1 day or 2 days, and you can see that how the system or how my incident is behaving. Okay. And then you can see how the SLA is working. So now I'll change it again, new schedule. And now I'll go back and repair it again. But if you see here, start time is this. क्या breach time कब होगा? 4:30 from now. Clear हुआ बात यहाँ तक everybody? Doubt, question, clarification, anybody on SLA part? SLA is the most easiest topic, but it is more critical from the business perspective. If we breach the SLA, then have to pay the penalty as well. Same case for pizza delivery. 30 minutes, otherwise get a free pizza. Now it doesn't matter to Domino that why it getting late. My driver is slow, or the building has a problem, or what else is the biggest problem. So now come back here and just reload it. Or sorry, reload, I'm saying repair it. And I click on the OK. And now we're loading it. Close. And now you can see 12 minutes left, 17 minutes been gone. It says it will breach at 5:57. 12 minutes, after 12 minutes, it will breach. And then my breach time also. Now, abhi kya hai? We just have a start condition. Now let me put a pause condition as well. इसको कल देखते हैं retroactive को आराम से. Pause condition. I'll say the pause कर दो when the short description contains LNGT. तब इसको pause कर देंगे. Okay, ठीक है. Save. Go back here and now change the condition to LNGT. And save. देखो हो गया pause. Why? Because condition is matching now. कि pause का condition क्या है? This thing should be there. I'm not going the traditional SLAs as of now because this is what homework given to you that you guys need to be review it. But mainly SLA work on the priorities. If priority is P1, P2, P3, P4, then it should work. It will go in the pause or state when the incident is waiting for the caller or might be the users. Then it will get paused. Definitely you can see that, you can understand that, and you can put that in the practice as well. Now what I want to show you, if the so if I say, let's say Ujjwal went for a movie का पूरा is like for 2.5 hours. ठीक है. So 5 o'clock movie gets started. And Ujjwal says that okay, 5 o'clock movie starting, and after half an hour there is some problem in the theater and they stop the movie for time being. Then the actual movie closer will not the 7:30 because 5 o'clock it started. No, the system will remove or system will subtract the time which is for the pause. So now if I go back here in my incident, and if I just refresh it now, देखो we will right, let me, okay, pause, right. So if you see, the original breach time is 557. Now let me take it this incident to the in progress again. Let's put LNGT. Save. And now if I go back and refresh my incident, it is still pause. Why? Because we did not mention pause के बाद start कब करना है. Resume condition तो हमने दी नहीं. So we'll put when the short description contains the word together. तो भी resume करेगा. Now I'll go back here. So I will adding a word together and save. Now if you see, scroll down, it is in progress. And let me refresh this and show you one more thing important here. In progress, अब देखो breach time. Breach time क्या था पहले? 557. और pause क्या है? 3 minute. तो breach time क्या हो गया मेरा? 6 o'clock. Because on call का जो टाइम था वो सिस्टम ने बाहर निकाल दिया. And then added. भाई अब सिंपल सी बात है. We have this class SLAs for the 30 days. By any chance, if I take a break for 1 week, do you think that this class will be still able to complete the course in 30 days? नहीं ना, मुझे 1 week को आगे तो extend करना ही पड़ेगा. So same thing is applicable here. Clear यहाँ तक? Everybody doubt question? विक्रम, अकबर, भव्या, चंदू, वैभव, श्रीराम, प्रिया, भावना, प्रतीक, Abdul, any doubt, any question till this point?
No,
So
sir.
now, okay, sure, thanks. So now this is clear that what is start condition, what is stop this pause condition, and what is the stop condition. I'll say when the short description contains learn, then it will be stop. Okay. Now go back because learn to already hai. If I save or refresh this page, my SLA will get. Okay, it's still in the progress. Stop condition change करते हैं हम. LNG ग्रो कर देते हैं इसको, तब स्टॉप हो जाएगा. ठीक है. And now we're making a change in the LNG grow and see. And now if you notice, your SLA is complete. Your SLA will stop. So if I go and refresh this page, it says complete. It means till the time job has been done. So if you created an incident and you got a resolution, that time incident SLA is go in the complete state, resolve हो गया तो fine खत्म. Now if you see here, come back here, ये तो stop condition है, reset condition कि start from the starting only, zero से start करना है. I say if the short description contains grow and grow, तो पुराने वाले को कैंसिल कर दो और नया SLA ऐड कर दो. Now if you see, save, and I will add the word grow and save. अरे क्यों नहीं हो रहा भाई रन? ये contains grow and which is cancelled and completed and new SLA will be attached. हाँ ठीक है ना, बट कर क्यों नहीं रहा ये? Wait, I think grow and grow. So technically my SLA will be stopped. Let me see if I can repair this SLA and see, because I'm putting the stop condition here. Sometimes repair is required. Okay, close. नहीं यार, ये stop complete है. Is it attaching a new SLA? No, the reason what I'm thinking is because in our start condition, we did not say when to cancel it. हम ये condition नहीं दी. When to cancel it means short description contains grow and grow. तब cancel कर दो इसको. Now if you go back and just change it here, welcome and save. And now, अरे एक मिनट रुको, इसको सेव करते हो. Why it's not working? Because our did we save it? हमने तो save ये तो नहीं किया. Now let's try to repair it. नहीं यार, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रही है SLA हमारे. The conditions are not matching it here properly. Otherwise, this SLA should be go in the cancel state. क्योंकि cancel में हमने क्या लिखा है? Short description contains grow and grow. और reset में हमने लिखा है grow and grow. So cancel करना है. Something is not working, but in the reset means it will cancel your existing SLA, will start again. Now the question come that when you cancel it, Atul, what is the start time? Will it start from this time or will it start from the now only? That's totally based on your this tick box. Retroactive start. And अच्छा ये भी तो बनता ना शायद, हाँ, created. And now save. अब लिखते हैं इसको दोबारा से grow and grow. नहीं यार, SLA तो अभी भी नहीं चल रहा, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इसमें, ठीक है। So it means now I'm trying to system that if this SLA gets cancelled and you need to be start a new SLA, then it should be start from the date of creation when this incident will get created, not the now when the incident is getting cancelled. So this is something which we are going to be discussed tomorrow, that how the retroactive work actually. But everybody clear for the today's one? Doubt, question, clarification. Vikram, very silent today.
नहीं सर, थोड़ा मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारी चीजें हो गई हैं, बट आई हैव क्वेश्चन, कैन यू गो ऑन दैट पीडीआई?
ये लो, tell me.
हाँ जी। तो लाइक इन पॉज कंडीशन हमने वहां पे जब जब चेंज किया और फिर हम वापस जाके अपना जो टिकट ओपन किया था उस चेंज किया। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वो ये कंडीशन, क्योंकि एसएलए तो हम पहले ही बना के रखेंगे,
हाँ,
मतलब
ये तो
एक एसएलए
okay.
हमने ये पहले
This is
बना
this
लिया,
is
बाद में एक टिकट
this
ओपन
is
किया।
हाँ. So what I'm showing is a step by step actually. But practically आपका full SL like start, stop, pause, reset condition, everything has been defined beforehand only. It is just to be understand and teach you that how SLA work. What is the purpose of start? What is the purpose of stop condition here? But if you notice this part, let me go in the SLA definition. ये देखो, जैसे अगर P1 रेजोल्यूशन में देखता हूं, it is already given everything. Start condition is at active true and priority is P1. Pause condition when it is on hold. Stop condition when it is closed. And reset condition when there is no condition and cancel the existing SLA. So ये सब चीजें, these all things you have to be defined beforehand. You create the incident. वो तो thus if I put everything in a one go, it is tough for everybody to be understand that how the life cycle is working. When the stop, when the SLA start is working.
ठीक है। तो
So
अभी मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि हमने जो एसएलए बनाया और जो हमने एक टिकट क्रिएट किया, उस टिकट के हम जो एग्जांपल लेके चल रहे थे, sorry, I can talk in English so everybody can understand.
yes,
So
please.
what example we were taking, that like in the short description we were making the changes.
Yes.
So my question is, if in the real life, we cannot go ahead and change the short description again and again, right?
Okay. Again, this is just an example I gave. Mainly, as I said, mainly SLA work on the priorities.
Okay.
ये तो आपको just this is a case just to be understand you, so that because if I make my SLA on the priority now, there will be 2 or 3 more SLA get attached, and then you get
Okay.
confused. So I want to just keep one SLA which is created by us.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So created by us so that we can easily understand that what is big doing, what is going. So
ठीक है.
if you create your own SLA and you put the priority, that's fine. In that case, you will see if any other SLA get also attached, because if, as I say, SLA work when the condition matches. अगर मैच हो गए तो SLA अटैच हो जाएगा.
So in SLA also, like how we assign like user role.
No. That doesn't matter.
So you just said, right? If you are assigning one SLA, along with that, you can get one or two more SLAs.
हाँ क्यों? क्योंकि आपका कंडीशन बाकी भाई देखो सिस्टम में बाकी SLA भी तो है ना. There is a multiple SLAs.
Okay.
So if you are creating your own SLA today for the homework that is on the priority 1, so there is another 2 SLA can exist on the priority 1. So अगर इनका भी condition match हो जाएगा, they also get attached to your incident.
Got it.
ठीक है, just to be learning purpose we are putting a short description. And again, it is depend on your use case. Might be categories getting changed. Then I want to be a certain page as this one. If category X, then SLA will be like this. So it's totally depend. So today, when you do the homework, Ujjwal, please send the homework that everybody need to be get minimum 5 SLA, 1 or 2 SLA 24/7, 1 or 2 SLAs with some schedule. And see the different condition, might be short description, category, anything which you can, and try to create in the different tables, not only incident table. Clear, everybody? Good, Ramna.
Well, if SLA start duration is 1 hour, we pass that SLA. After 20 to 25 minutes, we restart the SLA. What will the remaining time? It will take half an hour, or it will start from start?
That we'll discuss tomorrow. That is called the retroactive. So that we'll discuss in tomorrow in depth.
Okay.
Okay. Because that required a little bit more understanding, and you will understand that part when you understand this particular part, that all the fields you understand. Today we complete. So today, if I say that we completed almost 85% to 90% of our SLA, only 5% is remaining, which is the retroactive only. So tomorrow, the first hour will pick up the retroactive, and then we'll go for the another topic.
So, sir, like this SLA part is applicable only for like incident change problem
Nahin.
or
Nahin. And multiple things are there. Multiple.
कोई एक example, sir, like which is not related to these three, where we can use SLA, not with a practical, just like story kind of thing.
We not use SLA. Like, see, SLA mainly, as I say, SLA mainly work on the condition part. So if you did not define the SLA, it will not work. But you are at home alone. Okay. Your wife says, okay, Vikram, I'm going to office today. And when I'll come back, make sure the food is ready. Now, there is no SLA. Might be she come after half an hour, might be she come after in the evening only. So I don't have any SLA on this particular part. Okay. Or let's take example. Another example is easy to understand. Your wife is at his parents' home. Okay. Now you're alone at home. Does this SLA applicable for you that what time need to be get up, what time need to be go for the breakfast? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि that time the boundaries are not there. So it is totally depend on the business that what they are where they want to be configure the SLA. I can do in the system, that's totally fine. There is no SLA applicable if you're asking me, Atul, can you come for a can we meet on the tea? Boss, इसका कोई SLA नहीं है because I'm in UK, you are in based in India. When I come, then I'll see. It can be in the 1 month, 2 months, can be 1 year, 2 years as well. So इस पे SLA applicable नहीं है. But if you send me a question and I have to be reply back in a 1 hour or might be 1 day, that is SLA applicable. So just don't take technology alone. Take the business with you. Only then you can use this technology and the business together. Clear हुआ उज्ज्वल? Because now you're just thinking from the technology perspective. ठीक है, platform है, platform में I can configure. But what is the business need for the same? That you need to be understand. And that's what we are the BA here, who understand the business need. Clear now, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so now let me stop recording and take your attendance now. Good, Ujjwal, any question?
Yes, Atul. You can stop recording, no issues.
Okay.
Actually, I need to share my screen.
Okay, let me stop recording. Yes, please.